All right, let's make a yogurt parfait. I'm starting with whole milk yogurt, blueberries, a peach, some amazing granola of your choice, chopped pecans or your favorite nut, and raw honey. Of course, I'm using a mason jar because I'm country. I'm going to chop my peaches and, of course, wash the blueberries. If you don't wash your fruit, you're disgusting. All right, let's mix up that yogurt and get it in that mason jar. All right, that's your bottom layer. Then we're going to top it with your favorite granola. Mine has cashews in it, but I'm also adding pecans because I love nuts. What can I say? So giving it a shake so I can kind of get it level, and I'm drizzling on the honey. If that's too much or you don't want to use it, you already know you don't have to. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Let's get some peaches on there and blueberries. I wish I had strawberries, but mine were being disrespectful and they were already done. So add those if you have some. Now let's put another layer of yogurt because this is a parfait, so we're building it this way. Could you use Greek yogurt? Absolutely. Do you have to use honey? Of course not. We've already talked about that, so please stop. And there you go. That is my breakfast. It's going to be amazing. And the only thing I need to do is find me a spoon and a little bit of strength to get through it without making a big mess. Oh, I did it. Y'all follow